Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you guys. I got this order today and I was thinking, yeah, let's unbox it together. Yeah, I ordered the Moterm Companion Travelers Notebook, I think it's called. So in pebbled white, because I wanted to try out another leather TN for my journals, and I was thinking, yeah, the white one would be awesome for the first month of the new year, and it's not that expensive than real leathers, and yeah, that's why I ordered that one and it got here today. So yeah, let's have a look. I already packed out the plastic bag which was covered around this one, so in case you were wondering. Alright, this is what I got from Moterm. This is really cute. Some little flake stickers, so I think this is really nice, and a little card. So I didn't open that one. Merry Christmas. This is really cute. Yeah, that's a nice gesture, I think. Oh, how can I open this? Maybe. Well, if you can see it, there's a little text. Merry Christmas. Yeah. All right. This is the cards, and yeah. Okay, here we have, I think this is a jump band. Yeah. And here is the companion notebook. Oops. Okay, I'll take this one away. Sorry. This one. Yeah, alright, here we have it. Yeah, this is a pebbled white. Well, I feel like it looks a little bit more off-white to me. I feel like it depends a lot on the light situation. So let's see. Here it looks pretty white, I think, but I could also think that it looks a little bit more off-white or a little grayish for you maybe in the cameras. So yeah, I like it a lot for the first impression. I already had one of the Moterm A5 covers, but in lychee pink, so I know how it would feel like. So this feels really soft and I like the texture of it. I might wish it would be a little bit more bright white than how it looks like on the website. It really does look a lot wider. So maybe let's see. This is a bright white for me, but I can excuse me, I can live with it. So this is still beautiful for my eyes. Okay, let's see what's inside. We have a little pouch. This is something to put in. Maybe if you want to use it as a wallet, you could use it as a wallet for your cards. You have 4 card slots. You can put in your cash in here. Here are some more card slots. Yeah, it's like my Moterm A5 from what I'm seeing. Just the A5 was I sold it. It's a little bit more, it has more room and more space, so and it comes with these 3 inserts. I don't know if I will use them, but the paper feels pretty nice. This is a lined one. This is a blank one. The paper feels pretty too sturdy for me. And the graph one. So I take these out just for a minute. Okay. It has 4 strings, and you can also add the jump band if you want to. And I must say they look pretty sturdy to me. So now I'm pretty curious if how my Planner Perfect journals fit in here, because that's what I wasn't sure about, because Planner Perfect elastics are much thicker. So let's see how that works. And just a little sneak peek. This is one of the inserts I'm going to use in 2022. My lovely friend KTI Plans sold it to me because she is going to use a personal size TN for the beginning of next year. So yeah, I was able to get it from her, and I'm pretty thankful. Thank you again. And yeah, it looks very pretty. So let's see how that fits in here. Oops, sorry. And let's add another journal, which I might going to use. I wrote something in here last year, so let's see. And let's take another one. I have this from last year. Okay, yeah, it looks pretty good. And let's see how it closes. Yeah, I feel like, okay, here it seems to stick out a little bit depending on, yeah, where it's located. So, but I think I really love it. Yeah, they are really, it looks a little bit odd, kind of, I don't know, but I feel like you can write in it. I might have to switch the inserts a little bit around so that I can write here a little bit better. So maybe I do something in between, more another journal which is not that thick like the Planner Perfect journals. Yeah, and then there's space and room for some cute accessories. So I feel like this won't, no, that doesn't work, but yeah, you can put in your tip-ins in the bag, and yeah, and use these slots for something else, for some small stickers or yeah, whatever you have. Maybe a little bookmark, or this is cute, by the way, I got from my friend. Yeah. All right, that's not perfect at all. I will decorate it differently, but I'm really happy with it. Let's see how a pen fits in here. I don't think I will use a fountain pen this time. This is a Pentel Energel, and yeah, okay, it works. So yeah, that's quite good. Yeah, I think this will be very pretty to start into the new year. And yeah, I hope this color will grow on me a little bit more, because it's really a little disappointing that the pictures on the website are much more lighter than the product is in reality, especially if you're going for a white or a light one. I don't know how it looks like for you guys on the other side of this video. It really just depends on the light, definitely, I would say. But I still, yeah, love it. So that's my little unboxing and a first sneak peek into my 2022 planner lineup. I will stay in a TN as my main planning system, and I also have my Hobo Weeks and as my on-the-go planner or for content planning, and everything else I'm going to figure out in the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned, and I will be back with another video. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, and yeah, bye.